Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the Actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam P on probability. This problem was posted before as my online exercise on September 3rd, 2005. Let x be an exponential random variable with mean 2. Define a new random variable y equal to minimum of x squared and 2. Find f sub y of 1. And here's the solution. So we have y equal to the minimum of x squared and 2. And that means that this is y is equal to x squared for x between 0 and square root less than or equal to square root of 2, and 2 for x greater than square root of 2. And now we use the definition of the cumulative distribution function and write f sub y of 1 equals probability that y is less than or equal to 1, and that's equal to probability that x squared is less than or equal to 1, given that y is equal to x squared times the probability that y is equal to x squared, plus probability that 2 is less than or equal to 1, given that y is equal to 2, and y can be only equal to x squared or 2, so that's the other possibility, times the probability that y is equal to 2. But of course the probability that 2 is less than or equal to 1 is 0, regardless of the condition, so the second term is 0, so this is just equal to the probability that x squared is less than or equal to 1, given that y is equal to x squared, times the probability that y is equal to x squared. But by the definition of the conditional probability, this actually has to be equal to the probability of the intersection of the two events, that x squared is less than or equal to 1, and that y is equal to x squared. That's the same as probability that x squared is less than or equal to 1, and x is greater than 0 and less than or equal to square root of 2. And of course, for those values of x between 0 and square root of 2, the only way x squared can be less than or equal to 1 is when x is less than or equal to 1. The only numbers between 0 and square root of 2 that have their squares, x squared, less than or equal to 1, are numbers between 0 and 1. So this is the same as probability that x is less than or equal to 1. X has only non-negative values, so it's the same as probability that x is between 0 and 1. And what is that probability for this exponential random variable? That's equal to 1 minus e to the minus 1/2. Because the random variable is x is exponential with mean 2. So this is just the cumulative distribution function of that exponential random variable evaluated at 1. This is answer E. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem was created by me, and the solution is mine. All rights reserved. Reproduction in whole or in part without express written permission from the author is strictly prohibited.